I'm Dylan. I'm going to be building a PC. I've never built one before, and I got COVID, and so I thought, no time like the present. So like, let's just freaking do it. First things first, I want to make sure, okay. First things first, I don't have anti-static mats or wristbands. We're gonna go the old-fashioned way.
Ibrahimovic looking for the second chance. Score!
So then I try setting up a humidifier, and that goes about as well as you'd expect. Okay, we just gotta go without the humidifier. I think it's broken. At this point, I just kind of give up and put a fan next to a bucket of water and hope that something happens. So now I'm opening up my my box from Newegg, filled with all my computer goodies. Then I decide, hey, I'm not perfect. I don't know everything. So I look up a tutorial video on YouTube.
The Stanley Cup is the thing
It's time to see what all the hype is about. Like the number one choice that I'm...
So now, an hour later, well, actually like two hours later, after humidifying, destatticking, cleaning the table, and you know, generally being scared that I'm gonna ruin my computer, I get started. Okay, so now I'm finally unboxing Mother. You know, she's taking a second because I gotta make sure I don't ding her up. And boy is she crinkly. Wow, that bag, it's like a freaking bag of chips.
Surface the CPU or the bottom, especially if you are using an AMD CPU, because the pins underneath the CPU can easily...
Alright, as you can see, I changed camera angles. I realized having it suspended on top of a lamp, right on top of the motherboard, might be a bit risky. Okay, now here's me trying to, as tenderly, but as intentionally, opening the latch on the CPU. And now I'm opening the CPU. You can tell how scared I am by how long this takes. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. She's in. Okay. Woo! Yeah, so next I installed my RAM. And you know, it just slid right in. No problem. It was just like freaking, it was like that. It was so quick. Oh my lord. Am I doing this right? Okay. Just please come out or I'm gonna cry. So it's at this point I'm a bit hungry, a bit tired. Frankly, I need to take a shit. And this is taking longer than I expected. Why is there a Z on the screen? I don't know what's happening. I really don't ever... Well, I don't really often know what's happening, but this is really like a new low for me. It's at this point I have to really assess, like, what am I doing this all for? And then I'm like, oh yeah, that. I don't know if this is relatable. I don't know if everyone else is, you know, waiting for City Skylines 2, but that's gonna be... it's gonna be big. It's literally... As soon as it drops, no one's gonna see me again. I'm gonna be a little gremlin in a cave, and that's okay. That's okay. So now I start unboxing my case, and well, let me tell you, there's something pretty special about this case. And, well, you'll see. Yeah, so then I tried installing my PSU. Then I realized I had to get the shit out before I installed the shit that I want. Oh my god, there was so much. There were so many things. There were screws up the wazoo, and frankly, I did not want to check each individual one, so I just screwed willy-nilly. Sure, it's not what you're supposed to do, but I did it. Then I tried to install all the power cables, and I tried unzip tying them with one hand while holding the camera with the other. I quickly gave up on that. Okay, I'm doing the power. So it's at this point that I'm looking inside my computer and thinking, I don't know what's going on in here. So I decided to do what I should have done a long time ago. I read the manual. And then I get scared. And then there's this one port that I can't find anywhere. So I look for like at least half an hour, and then finally... It was here the whole time. I'm gonna lose it. It's perfect. It was shortly after this when I realized I don't have my graphics card. And I'm like 4 hours in and frankly tired, a little bit sweaty. And I'm thinking, I gotta take a break. So I stopped. Hello everyone, I'm back. We're so back, actually. You know that chart, that graph that's like, it's so over, we're so back, it's over, we're back. Well, yesterday, it was so over, but thankfully, we are so back. Because I got my GPU! Okay, we've got the budget humidifier, fan in front of a water bottle. Sorry. A bowl of water. Here's what we got got so far. We've got the motherboard installed, we've got the RAM, we've got the PSU, we've got the CPU, of course, the SSD. Fans are plugged in, I think. So all we gotta do is the GPU. Easy. Oh my lord, there's so much packaging. Ho ho ho. Hee hee hee. Wow. No driver disc. Okay, this shit's really fucking big. I don't think it's gonna fit. Wait, okay, we gotta try this. Oh no. Please. Oh? Wait, we might, oh. Come on. Please. I beg. Okay. We should take this out. I don't think it's gonna fit. Wait. Hold on a minute. It's gonna fit. Holy shit. Okay. Woo. Oh my god. Okay, we just really gotta jimmy it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. I got it. I think I got it. I do actually think I got it. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. We've got about a centimeter of room. I hope that won't ruin the airflow. Oh well. And she's in. Holy shit, that's so fucking stupid looking. Alright, well. Look at it! Crazy. Alright, well. Here's where you can see how long it took for me to figure out where each cord goes. Yeah, not proud of that, but I eventually got there. And hey, it's not about the journey. Well, it is actually about the journey. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And I can assure you we did actually get to the destination, in fact, while having the journey as well. So, you know, I think it was ultimately a success. In the end. Okay, guys. This is it. I'm gonna fucking see if this shit works. Big things coming, maybe. Let's not be presumptuous now. Okay. Holy shit, okay. Let's see. Should I have this thing closed? That's okay. I turned it on. Nothing happened. Okay, 11 11 minutes later. Well, I'm seeing something. Shit. Wait a minute. Wait. I might be the silliest person alive. Wait, oh my god. Now the monitor won't turn on. Hello? Oh shit. We busted the outlet. Wait, I'm actually really dumb. I just accidentally unplugged the outlet for the desk. We didn't bust the power. I think the COVID brain fog is hitting. Okay, also, critical error. I didn't even turn on. Okay, I turned on the power button, but I didn't turn on the main button. So maybe that's the issue. Let's do one of these. And then one of these. Okay, just had a breakthrough moment. I realized all the fucking fan cables, they're all plugged in to the case, not to the motherboard. Of course it's not fucking running. Why am I... Okay, so I actually plugged in the fans. So maybe that is what was going wrong. And... okay, turn on.
10 minutes later.
Okay, I might have actually fixed it this time. Let's find out. Okay, let's find out. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh my god. Is it displaying anything? It's not displaying anything though. Why is it not being displayed? Oh! She's so cute! Look at her! Oh my... Look at the fans! Look at this shit! Oh! Okay. We're gonna have to do something about that. Okay, I'm dumb. The issue is literally I had the fucking... you can't even see it. I had the power SD in the wrong 2 pins. It's so dumb. There's no labels. There's no nothing. I can't do anything. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. We're set up. Okay, as it turns out, we only have 2 fan headers on the motherboard. So we may need to later get a fan hub. Alright. We've made a lot of progress today. Very happy with this. So let's just put this on and call it a day. Just kidding. I have to fucking get Windows. Alright guys, get ready for the most satisfying part. Wow. Oh, that's nice. It's fresh as a Napa cabbage. So look at that. Boom. That's what I call a computer. Here we go again. What? Wait, what? Wait. You must have been lying. I did it. Thanks for joining me on this little journey. I think I did it. I sort of did it. 2 of the fans run. The CPU fan runs. So 3. This one doesn't. It's purely decorative for now. I can change that later. And sure, we currently have this Ethernet cable running across the room. Okay. And yeah, the GPU fan isn't currently running. Not sure if that's something to be worried about. I'm not gonna worry about it. I hope this was informative. Or at least fun. So have a good one.